Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of issues on the application of Discord. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Discord and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, don't click clear data because that can cause the errors. You can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about we click on Discord and then you can update your app if you will find update here. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.